Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and yes, I am finally back, and I'm with this, the Huawei P20. So there is the P20 Pro, but in today's video we're going to show you the beautiful, I will say very beautiful P20. Now, this is the pink one. I'm going to get that straight out of the way. It's actually going to be branded as the pink in terms of the actual video title. It is no pink, trust me. It is a beautiful, beautiful device. So I should have shot this about a week ago. Problem was, Air France decided to lose my suitcase or not send it from France. So yeah, thanks Air France. Let's dive right into it. Now this is not the full retail, what you're going to get inside. You will also get a case as well, and obviously the information, which you'll probably see in a sec, which you're not really going to get in my, my box right now. So taking around the box, as you can see here, it's got the logo Huawei P20, and at the bottom we've got the Leica dual camera. On the bottom of it, it's just got your normal information. It's telling you it's a pink phone, how much RAM it's got, how much ROM it's got. So it's got 128 gig of internal memory and also 4 gigabytes of RAM as this bad boy. On the side, just exactly the same, not much else. On the back, just telling you with regards to all the waste information, etc, etc. Anyway, shut up Sam. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Or would this be a bad bitch because it's pink? I don't know, maybe. My wife would say it is. Anyway, let's open it up. P20 and voila. As you can see, I've not actually taken the screen protector off it, the actual film. I have been waiting, yes I know. I have had to play with it, I'll be honest with you, but I've put it back in the box and I've not actually taken any of this stuff off there. So, wow, look at that. You see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Now yes, it is pink, because it's got pink hues, but just look at the colour tone. It's really hard to kind of get it good on camera. I mean, look how shiny it is. Hello, you can see me in it. But when you tilt it, you can probably see there's loads of different colours in there. It is an absolutely remarkable kind of finish that they've managed to get on this phone. Yeah. So anyway, as you can see here on the front of it, we've got the screen protector. Well, not the screen protector, the protector on top of the screen protector. So I'll tell you what, we'll take that off now, see if I can get any sound. Yeah, you should have probably heard that bad boy. That was good. Well done, Huawei. So with all Huawei devices, and even Honor devices from our record action, you get a factory fitted screen protector. So when you feel it straight away, you might feel like, oh, it don't feel super smooth. Don't worry, that is a screen protector that they fit at the factory. Now you can take it off. I'd recommend keeping it on until you need to replace it. That's obviously your choice though. Let's just get back to this bad boy though. I mean, look at that. Look at that when I turn it sideways. Look at that. Huh? Anyway, let's take you around the actual device. No, look, let's stick it to the side. What else do I get inside my box here? Honestly, not much. So you get the SIM ejector. Now I have it confirmed that you'll be getting some kind of case inside the box, and also obviously the information kind of pamphlet. You'll be getting the plug or wherever you are. So if you're based in America, you get the American one. If you're in the UK, you get a UK. Obviously this is the European one. Boom, happy days. Now when you use this, always make sure you use this cable with your supercharger. Why? Because it's the only way you're going to get the true supercharge. And how can you tell the difference between a normal cable? Let's say you've got a couple of different cables, all white. They all look the same. So it doesn't show you inside this one actually. I know it doesn't, definitely shows you inside here. So you could probably see there's purple inside that. You see it? And on the other end, it is also purple. Always make sure you use this cable, trust me, and you are going to get probably the best and safest fast charging speeds. You're also going to get the headphone adapter, so you can use your normal headphones, but they also do supply some USB Type-C headphones, so that's always nice. You do get that inside the box as well. And again, you will get some more details or some more stuff in your box. Anyway, Sam, let's shut up, mate, and let's just have a look at this bad boy again, huh? Oh, sorry, this bad bitch. So let's take you around it. Have a look at the bottom of the device first of all. It's not really coming off on camera, but it's like a rosy kind of goldy kind of colour. I can get it to focus a bit, you might be able to see it a bit better. Probably see that there a bit better now. Seriously, it is an absolutely stunning, stunning device. On the bottom of the device, as you can see there, you do get the 2 speaker grills. I believe only one of them is a speaker, and the USB Type-C. on the right side of the device, you can see nothing at all till you get to that power button, which has got a nice little red indicator on there, and the volume up and down. I like this combination of being on one side. On the top of the device, as you can see there, it's just got I believe that is another microphone. Yep, that's just another microphone. On this side is where you can put your SIM ejector. So you'll be able to put your dual SIM inside this. Obviously, depending on your market, you might be able to only get a single SIM, but hopefully you'll be getting a dual SIM one as well. On the back of it, this is where some of the magic really happens. So you do get a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor and a 12 megapixel color sensor, RGB. I think it's the RGBW. And that might be the screen actually. Anyway, I'll put a note here if I remember which one it is. The actual LED flash, the lasers, so yes, it has laser focus, but it's also got like a little color temperature thing in there as well, which is pretty, I do want to say, when they kind of told us about it at the briefing, I was like, wow, that's just not heard of that one before. But anyway, with regards to the RGB sensor, it has actually got 1.55 UM, so it's the microns, which is generally the largest in any phone that you can currently get right now. It's what the original Pixel had, and then the original, now the Pixel 2 XL and the Pixel 2 has gone down to 1.40, same as the Galaxy S9. What does that mean? Generally means that the bigger the actual pixel micron image is, the better the light can kind of hit the sensor, because they are bigger, they are physically larger, which means more light gets into there, which should theoretically result in better pictures. That's just the basic kind of information on it. To go into more detail, I will put a link down below. You can actually go read a couple of articles about it. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing and the first quick look at this beautiful pink. Seriously, it is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colour. And let's tell you what, I was going to bring its bigger brother in really quickly. So here is the bigger brother, and as you see here, boom, is an absolute mirror. It's pretty insane. So here is the Pro. So just for a size comparison, if you are comparing both of them, you have a 6.1 inch and I think a 5.8 inch display. And as you can see, there is not a lot of difference in the size of it. And just for kind of giggles, here is an iPhone 10. So if you have seen an iPhone 10, you will know the difference there as well. So P20 Pro, P20, iPhone 10, or X, whichever you want to call it. Yeah. Anyway, people, that's it. That's just the first unboxing and the quick look at the colour on the brand new Huawei P20. Seriously, absolutely beautiful device. If you have any questions with regards to this, the P20 Pro, you name it, anything, hit me up in those comments down below. Do not forget to hit me up on Twitter. I have actually been posting pictures and some comparisons between the P20 Pro, the iPhone 10 and the Google Pixel 2 XL. So if you want to go check out those comparisons to see which is the best, again, link down below and go follow me on Twitter. Again, at samjpullen. Anyway, people, we're going to shut up. I'm going to get off. I want to say thanks for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you probably won't see me, but you'll definitely hear me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.